Hindi pa. Sabi ni Mami, Hi Ma, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and long life. I want you to be with us forever. Ingatan mo pa sarili mo. Dito lang ako para sa'yo. Love you, Mami. Happy birthday, Mama. From Nono.
Thank you very much, Nati.
Mama, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka po lagi. Thank you po sa lahat, sa pag-guide sa amin. Ingatan mo po sarili mo. We love you all. We miss you. Mwah! Connect, Ada, Toy, at
Nag-clarify mo naman. Pagkasahin mo.
Happy 75th birthday, Mama. More birthdays to come. More blessings. It's your day today. Make the most of it. Love you, Mama. Love, Nimpa.
Ikaw naman na. Alternate.
Happy birthday. I wish you the best of everything, not just today, but always. God bless. Tita Eva.
Happy birthday po, Ma. Francis Cotto. Wish ko po sa'yo ay long life. Love you po, Francis.
Mama, happy birthday. We wish you good health and long life. God bless you always. Love, Marvin and family.
Ever dearest Mama, happy 75th birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day and may God bless you always. We love you and wish you a lot. Love us, Che and Adam.
Mama, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. We may not be there to celebrate your birthday, but we still find ways to make it extra special for you. We love you so much, Mama. Please take care of yourself always. We're so glad that you're our grandma. I love you, Ma. Akita.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday po. Gusto ka po dyan sa Bicol. Wish ko po sa'yo good health and more birthdays to come. Sana po makapagbakasyon po ulit kami dyan. Ingat ka po palagi. Marife.
Happy birthday, Ma, and thank you for being a good Lola to all of us, Apos. Love you, Ma, Cheryl.
Happy birthday. Sana mawala na sakit mo para di ka na bumibili ng gamot. Nene.
Happy birthday, Ma. May you have many more birthdays to come. Always trust in Lord Jesus and always take care. We love you so much. We miss you, Ma. Please.
Si ate.
Happy birthday, Mama. We are happy that you reached your age now na very strong pa ng bonggang-bongga. So, more birthdays to come and long life. Masaya po kami na kasama kami sa celebration ng birthday mo. We love you, Jara and Jerry.
To Mama, we love you so much. We wish you good health, peace of mind, and joy. May you have more birthdays to come, more years for us to be with you. More blessings, Mama. We love you, Rishi and family.
Hi, Ma. Bonggang happy birthday para sa'yo. We wish you good health and more blessings to come. Miss na kita. Ingatan mo po sarili mo, ha? Kasi love na love kita. Thank you po sa lahat. You've been the best grandma in the whole wide world. Love you, Ma. Cute na Jess.
Mama, happy birthday po. Good health, long life, peace of mind, at more blessings ang wish ko para sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo tong card at carefully nabigay namin sa'yo. Thank you po sa lahat ng oras at atensyong binigay mo sa akin. Ingat ka po lagi, ha? Love na love kita, Ma. Thankful kami na meron kami Mama na katulad mo. You're simply the best. Ikaw ang one and only Mama namin. Miss na kita, Ma. Ma, love you. Magzo.
Si Julian to.
Oh, yan. Sige, mag-ano
Happy
muna kayo.
birthday po, Ma. Kate po to. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Miss you po. Love you. Kate.
To my dearest Lola, happy 75th birthday. It's another year to give and show love. Another year to correct the wrongs. And another chance to serve and give God all that He deserves. For without Him, we would not be in this world. I thank you for all the love I have found in you back when I was still a child, when they used to call me. And
Walang ganyanan! Walang ganyanan, Faye.
And sorry kung hindi ganun ka-showy of my love for you. Ako nga lang ang ata ang tumatawag sa'yo ng lola. But now I want you to know that I do appreciate and love you, Lola. Thank you for still displaying my company picture in your house. And in behalf of Papa, Mama, and Ate Vic, again, happy 75th birthday, Lola. We all love you. May God continue to bless you more. Thank you and love you.
Love you. Faye yun. Yan.
Ito na pala.
Kain na, kain na. May, di ba? Ang dami ba? Ang kulang dyan, ang kulang masala dyan Ate Jens, ano, si asawa daw ni asawa ni Herbert. Pangit ka. Oy, kagawad kain lang ha? Kain ka lang. Ay, naku Diyos ko, ano yun? Nasaan na si anak? Anak, oh, ano yun mo na to? Okay lang. Tao na ka. Jeremy, Ma'am Ellen. Nagagalaw. Di na ko. Ate, o di tabi tiyo. Alam ko, ikaw na nito. Hindi lang po.
Sabi niya, alam niya.